This is my award-winning egg. We're gonna sing your song to you now. My buddy Jeffro and Ben.
Hey, this is my buddy. I don't know his name.
He's homosexual.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna be singing a song "Beautiful" from 1960 something.
It's by Snoop Dogg.
I'm male 2. He's male 1.
All right.
Please enjoy this future presentation.
You want to sing, Eggy? You want to sing, other egg?
And you'll know it's us because we suck.
It's karaoke. Get ready, Eggy. Beautiful, I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. Beautiful, I just want you to know that you're my favorite girl. Now
I know you gotta look at what is that? The Snoop.com baby boo boo. I got this on the internet. No fool over the plan. I got the cool whip. Yeah. You know I always got a cool when you do it. I got do it like I do it. Have a glass, put me in it. Put the mood in a little cutie. Looking like a student, long hair with your big fat booty. Back in the day when the girl went to school, had to tell your mom and sister to cool it, and the girls wouldn't do it. Just as I might do it when you can hear her walk some pump fluid. Mama, don't worry, I don't abuse it. Hurry up and finish, cause we can't watch Clueless. I finished these, and when it asks how to ask everybody, you want to know that girl.
Beautiful, I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. Beautiful, I just want you to know you're my favorite girl.
When I see my baby boo boo, I eat that fool there smacking it. When I try to shoot homeboy, is she taking? She make. I asked him nicely, don't make the dog lose it when he blow. When they keep moving it, I'm moving it. I asked 6'4", and my baby boo kept cruising my dog rag into blue, and I have blue hydraulics squeaking. When they screw it now, he's yelling, hollering out Snoop Dogg, hooting, hollering, hooting and shooting. Black and beautiful, and I'm choosing my long hair, black beauty, and curl like Cupid. Asked them, baby, what they're doing, and now they tell me they're moving together until your mom move in.
Beautiful, I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. Beautiful, I just want you to know you're my favorite girl.
My favorite.
See, I just want you to know that you're really special. Just want you to know you're my favorite girl and you're really special.
Snoop Dogg clothing, that's what I'm growing in. Y'all are pictures on the wall in the room, and the girls keep complaining. You keep me booming, or the girls like don't listen to the booming. And the college girl, but they don't stop you from doing. They come to see the dog in the hood near you. And don't ask why I roll in the crew. I twist up my fingers and I wear dark blue. And he's sad, that's the crew. I choose nothing to do as I do. I smacked up for the word I knew. They're a rude girl, baby, cause if you ain't no so beautiful.
Beautiful, I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. Beautiful, I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. I just want you to know that you are really special. Why, oh why, oh why, oh why. Yeah.
That was a future presentation by Ben, Jeffro, and Jay.
Yeah. And me. I need to go smash Eggy against the concrete, so hold on. Forget some crack or something, man. You're retarded.